Hello guys, welcome back to RoyalT Empire Education. And for those who don't know me, my name is Tyrone.
Let's go.
We are in a series talking about option trading. We have covered the long call and the long put option and how it works. In our last video, we talked about what is a short put and how it works. If you have not seen that video, you can go check it out in our YouTube channel and it will be listed there for you. We are on our last kind of option that you can use in the stock market. Today we will talk about what is a short call and how it works. The short call option contract is very similar to the short put contract. The only difference is that instead of making a profit during an uptrend, you're actually making a profit during a downtrend. That's crazy, right? As a beginner, you learn that in an uptrend, you make profits, and in a downtrend, you lose a lot of money. But now with option trading, you can make money whether it's going up, neutral, or even going down. The catch is you have to figure out a way to know where the price will go in order for you to decide which option contract you will go with. Don't worry, because RoyalT Empire Education is here to help you learn more every week, so stay tuned. As I said earlier, the short call benefits during a downtrend, meaning that it has a limited gain and an unlimited loss. The short call is whenever you sell a contract to a buyer at a certain price and a premium. The goal for this option is not to go above the strike price until the expiration in order for you to collect the premium. In order to understand this better, I'll give you an example. Let's say that company T has a stock selling for $200 per share. With the help of patterns and studies that you put in, you predict that the market will go down. So you choose the short call option contract for $1, which is $100 if you multiply it by 100 shares. The strike price of the stock is $210, and as long as it is under $210, then you can keep the $100 that you have sold it for. Let's look at if it does not stay below $210 and went up. If it went up $215 per share, then you have to buy 100 shares of it at that price, which would cost you $21,500. Your loss will depend on what price did the buyer buy the contract at and when are they going to exercise. Let's say that they exercise the option at $190, which would cost them $19,000 to receive $21,500 because of the share price difference. So if you subtract $21,500 and $19,000, your total loss would be $2,500, which is a lot of money compared to the fact that your maximum gain to this trade is $100. You need to be ready to lose the amount you are selling at. This means if the maximum loss amount on this trade is unlimited, you need a big portfolio to where $20,000 will be 10% of your total account. This type of trading is for people who are more advanced in the stock market. But for beginners, as long as you understand the concept of short call and how it works, this should be fine for you. Today we talked about what short call is and how it works. We have covered all 4 different option contracts and how it works. The long call and short put is beneficial during an uptrend in the market. The difference between them is that the long call, you need to buy a contract and it requires more money up front, but the profits are unlimited. The short put is selling the contract, which does not require a lot of money up front, but the loss is unlimited. The long put and short call is beneficial during a downtrend in the market. The long put is the same as the long call in terms of buying and unlimited profits. The short call is similar to the short put with no money down but unlimited loss. Every option has its own specialty in different situations. And you, as a trader in the market, have a choice to do whatever you want. It is your trading and your style. Subscribe and like to learn more about stocks and investing. Press that notification button so you won't miss out on any of our videos. And if you have any questions, comment down below and I will gladly answer them for you. And I would like to do a quick shout out to Matagorda Bay Beach.